The Redmi Y2, a cheaper variant of the dual-cam Redmi Note 5 Pro. We just received the device and we wanna share our initial thoughts before doing the complete review. The Redmi Y2, thanks to its plastic body with matte finish, provides decent grip. It feels solid and is easily handled. The bundled rubber case would provide for an even more secure grip and another layer of protection. We get 5V 2A charger, which is a standard charger. Unfortunately, Redmi Y2 doesn't support quick charging. The Redmi Y2 wears a metallic body and it comes in colors like elegant gold, rose gold and dark grey. The Redmi S2 has a single bottom firing speaker at its disposal, but its output is not that rich to impress. Still, we've seen plenty of words, so we are fine with what we got for this class. The screen, however, is nothing out of the ordinary. A 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel with HD Plus resolution and 18:9 ratio. The Redmi S2 is equipped with all the essentials: an audio jack and IR blaster, a micro USB port and a tri-slot for 2 SIM cards, and a micro SD. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 is powered by a 14nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor with a Cortex-A53 architecture. The CPU is clocked at 2.0 GHz and the GPU is Adreno 506. The Redmi Y2 comes loaded with Android Oreo as well as MIUI 9.5 and is fueled by a 3080 mAh battery. It has an AI portrait mode and AI beauty mode. The company said that their AI algorithm does a great job at distinguishing subject and background. This helps them get great selfies. Also, the AI beauty mode is capable of highlighting the right facial areas by detecting makeup. Also, the Redmi S2 has Face Unlock out of the box. The 32GB edition of the selfie-centric Redmi Y2 is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees, around $149, whereas the 64GB model carries a pricing of 12,999 Indian rupees, around $193. The best-selling feature of the Redmi Y2 is the soft LED equipped with 16-megapixel camera that comes with AI capabilities. It has a large aperture f2.0 and offers a field of view of 78 degrees. Camera app puts toggles for HDR, filters and the flash toggle on the left. The app also offers quite a few different shooting modes: panorama, timer, status, manual, beautify, cursive and night, as well as the camera settings. Unfortunately, the manual mode lets you tweak only ISO and white balance, but not the shutter speed or focus. It can shoot better photos in low light by merging 4 pixels into a single super pixel that has a size of 2 micron. The resultant images have reduced noise and better clarity. The front camera is 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture with auto HDR. Well, Xiaomi has done it again. It made a Redmi that's an even better bang for your buck than the previous one. The Redmi Y2 is snappier than its predecessors, is a great selfie master, but also improves on the back camera too.